Hello friends, subscribe to our channel 𝘎𝙬𝙎𝙎𝙎 and press the bell icon for more updates.
Hello friends, welcome back once again. In the today video lecture, we are going to discuss the Railway Pharmacist online test series prepared by the GPAT Discussion Center. We have prepared a 35 online test for the Railway Pharmacist. After this online test, you can improve your performance by 15 to 20%. To attempt or give this online test, you have to visit on the website gdconlinetest.in. This test is designed for the preparation of Railway Pharmacist exam and promise to deliver its finest in the exam. This is the very good collection of the questions. ये questions कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ में दिए गए हैं. आप इससे अपने परफॉर्मेंस को अच्छे से इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. तो क्या है इस टेस्ट सीरीज के जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर द टेस्ट सीरीज? लेट्स सी दिस. इन द टेस्ट टोटल 35 टेस्ट विल बी कंडक्टेड. इन दिस 35 टेस्ट 27 टेस्ट विल बी द टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट, स्पेशलाइज्ड सब्जेक्ट, 5 aptitude, general awareness and general intelligence, and 3 will be mock test, that is the full length test. This test will be conducted till pharmacist exam. You can attempt anytime according to your situation, according to your time. What will be the pattern of the test series? Pattern of the test series: multiple choice based question, MCQs, and same as Railway Pharmacist examination. The timing for the test series for GK, GS and topic wise test, it will be 2 hours and for the 100 questions, while for the mock test it also will be 2 hours for the 100 question, and medium of the test will be English, same as the Railway Pharmacist exam. Day and timing of exam you can set according to your situation, according to your instruction. Announcement of result, rank and all in detail, like total number of student appear, individual score, highest score done by student. By this every candidate judge their individual performance during online test. You can see the answer key after the completion of test, and this answer key will be full explanation basis answer key. So you can join through the www.gdconlinetest.in. So what mainly the benefits will be given this online test in your result? You can analyze your performance with the toppers students like this. Here you can check your performance analysis. You can check and particular your performance analysis. You can also check accuracy analysis, test completion time analysis. So here is the syllabus of the Railway Pharmacist exam. There will be the 2 part. Part 1 for the pharma subject. Here human anatomy and physiology, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutical jurisprudence, pharmaceutics, inorganic chemistry, remedial biology and remedial mathematics, pharmaceutical organic chemistry, biochemistry, pathophysiology, computer application in pharmacy, environmental science, physical pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical microbiology, pharmaceutical engineering, medicinal chemistry, pharmacology, pharmacognosy and phytochemistry, industrial pharmacy, pharmaceutical jurisprudence, herbal drug technology, biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetic, pharmaceutical biotechnology, quality assurance, instrumental method of analysis, pharmacy practice, novel drug delivery system, biostatics and research methodology, social and preventive pharmacy, pharma marketing management, pharmaceutical regulatory science, pharmacovigilance, quality control and standardization of herbals, computer-aided drug design, cell and molecular biology, cosmetic science, experimental pharmacology, advanced instrumentation techniques, and dietary supplement and nutraceutical. This is the first part. While in the second part is divided into the 4 sections. General arithmetics. These are the topics which will be covered in this test. Their second will be the general intelligence and reasoning. Third will be the general awareness, and fourth will be the general science. So what is the syllabus of the pharmacist and what are the different tests? Here is the test series syllabus. Total will be 35 tests. First test will be for the pharmaceutics and it will be the 100 questions with 300 marks. Each question 3 marks. Test 2 pharmaceutics, it also is the same. Test 3 cosmetic technology. Test 4 biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetic. Test 5 pharmaceutical engineering. Test 6 physical pharmacy. Test number 7 pharmaceutical analysis, quality assurance, instrumental method of analysis, and pharmaceutical regulatory science. Test number 8 will be there for the pharmaceutical analysis, quality assurance, instrumental method of analysis, and pharmaceutical regulatory science. 7 and 8 will be the same and different questions. Topic will be the same. Test number 9 medicinal chemistry, and test 10 also be the same for the medicinal chemistry. Test 11 pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. Test 12 Test number 12 will be for the pharmaceutical organic chemistry. Test number 13 for the pharmacology. Test 14 pharmacology. Test 15 pharmacology. Test 16 pharmacology. Test 17 will be the pharmacognosy and phytochemistry, quality control and standardization of herbals. Test number 18 same pharmacognosy and phytochemistry, quality control and standardization of herbals. Test number 19 pharmaceutical jurisprudence, very important. Test number 20 pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Here test number 21, it will be for the human anatomy and physiology. Test number 22 human anatomy and physiology with the pathophysiology. Test number 23 biochemistry. Test number 24 biochemistry. Test number 25 pharmaceutical microbiology. Test number 26 microbiology with the biotechnology. Test number 27 social and preventive pharmacy, pharma marketing management, pharmaceutical regulatory science. Test number 28 general awareness and general science. Test number 29 general awareness and general science. After that test number 30 reasoning aptitude 𝘂𝙎𝙎𝙎, 31 reasoning aptitude 𝘂𝙎𝙎, 32 reasoning aptitude and 𝘂𝙎𝙎. 5 tests for the general awareness, general science, reasoning aptitude, general knowledge, general science, everything. For the 5 tests will be dedicated these. Test number 33 full length mock test will be there. Test number 34 it also is same, the full length mock test, and test number 35 it will also full length mock test. So these are the total 35 tests which are included in this online test series, and these are the very quality questions which with the proper explanation of each question, so you can expect that these definitely improve your performance. So how you can join the test? General instructions to join the test. You can join in the India's largest test series portal for the online test series. Choose the exam you want to subscribe. You will go in the pharmacist section, and this pharmacist section you can click on the details and you will get the Railway Pharmacist online test series. If you have already subscribed the test series, you can log in here, or you can click here on the register here for the new user. Just fill your detail, username, email, mobile number, password, repeat the password and enter the captcha. After that you can register yourself and perform the online test series after purchasing it.